Hey friends, nothingwire.com, and we have the brand new Nikon Coolpix AW110 here. AW stands for all weather, so this is Nikon's line of a rugged camera that you can use practically under any conditions. So you can see a nice vibrant color. In fact, it comes in 5 vibrant colors. This guy has a 1x2.3 inch CMOS sensor, a 5x optical zoom lens that also adds a 4x digital zoom. The focal range is 5 till 25 mm, which is about 28 till 140 mm in 35 mm equivalent, and you have an aperture range from f/3.9 till 4.8. So it shoots at 16 MP still, records full HD at 30 fps. On the front you can see the flash, autofocus assist, your lamp, your lens there. I'm not sure are these speakers or mic because you have two here, so either of these are speakers and the other one could be the mic. So on top you have the power button and then the shutter release button. You have 2 eyelets for your lanyard. It has built-in GPS. Then on the back side you have the TFT LCD screen, your zoom button there, dedicated video button, then your scene mode button, playback button, your multi-selection buttons on all the sides, and then you have the OK button. It also doubles as the upside as flash modes. Then you have exposure compensation scale here, macro mode here, and your self timer, menu, and the delete button. On this side you can open it by rotating the dial, and there comes your battery as well as the SD card. You have your mini HDMI out and the data and charging out there. So this guy runs on an EN-EL 12050 mAh battery and Nikon promises about 250 still shots or 55 minutes of continuous video playback. Below you'll have the tripod mount. On this side you have the one-touch GPS activation, and then there is this other button which I'm not sure of, and we'll have to see when this unit comes to our lab for full review. So I'm going to quickly show you the interface from there. So this is not an LCD, this is an OLED display. There you see the zoom, and note that your lens does not move. You see? So in menu you will have the usual options. So it's in easy auto mode. So in easy auto mode, when you go to menu, you'll have your image sizes, then you can go to video options, then your GPS options, and the usual setup menus. You can select other modes from here, like close-up, which is macro, and then soft, and some other, on which there could be other stuffs activated in the menu. Now in playback mode, this menu will have your quick retouch buttons and some other stuff that you can do with the picture that you've just clicked. You can delete the picture with this button. So pretty usual menu options here. Now this guy has an 21 MB internal memory. It supports SD, SDHC, and SDXC card. It's available at an MRP of Rs 16,950 and will be available in India very shortly. Thank you.